The next step is to install the interior storage. Aura storage features telescopic stanchions, so there's no need to cut them to size. Simply use the adjustable clips to make the stanchion the right height and make fine adjustments for a snug fit with the adjustable screws, top and bottom. Install the top clip into the ceiling at 250 mm from the back wall. Check the stanchions vertical with a spirit level. Mark the floor for the location of the floor clip and install the stanchion. Repeat for remaining stanchions. Taking the measurement at the ceiling, cut the top track to this size, less a couple of millimeters, so you can easily fit it in. Because this is a fairly wide installation, you'll need an extra pair of hands to help you fit the top track into position with appropriate fixings. Now, measure the opening width again between both walls and cut the bottom track to size, less a couple of millimeters, to allow easy fitting. Do not fix the bottom track to the floor yet. Hang the first door into position. Check with a spirit level that the door is vertical, and then fix the bottom track to the floor. Fit the remaining doors, and your sliding door wardrobe is complete.